Hello and welcome back to the Linux Panic YouTube channel. This is video 8 of my Linux from Scratch stable LFS version 11.2 series. Where we had left off previously, we had just finished with getting the system ready for restarting, and we'd gone through the process of making it bootable and now the rebooting section. The first thing that we need to do is we need to log out of the chroot environment, which we've done because it no longer says LFS chroot. We need to unmount all of the virtual file systems. As we can see here, it's unmounted all of them. Unmount any additional partitions. CD. And now all those are unmounted. We need to unmount that. Well, as we can see, we've already unmounted LFS. But umount, so umount $, or -v $, LFS, not mounted. And now, if we just do a simple shutdown -r now, this will then reboot if we've done everything correctly. What I need to do is I just need to come here to here and then just do that. Remove the disk. Remove. Oh, no. Click apply, come back here, refull screen, hit enter. And we now have a Linux from Scratch system. We need to first reboot the system because I put in LFS instead of boot, instead of root. We now have a functioning LFS system. We have built a Linux from Scratch system from scratch. We've done it. As we can see here, we have now created our system, and this is the point where we then could go onwards to create, add more software in beyond Linux from Scratch. But we have successfully created a system. So I would like to thank you all very much for watching. If you've made it this far in the series and have made your own system, say hi. Tell me what you're going to do with it, because I don't know what I'm going to do with mine. But we've done it. We have actually done it. So if we do list blocks, we can see we have 3. We do block ID. Everything is here. I've created a functional system. So if we do IPA, we can see we have our Ethernet 0 device, which is set up. And now if we try, and we're just going to be happy. We've made it, and we will return. I will return with a Beyond Linux from Scratch series next month. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Yeah, it's done. We've made it. I have been Nick. You have been amazing. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.